Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is going to be me teaching you how to make an intro on an iPad or iPhone. So let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to do is go to Google and find any image that you want to be your background. After that, you're going to go into iMovie and make your picture into a video. So you're going to press Make Movie, press your photo that you want to choose. As you can see, it should roughly turn it into a 6-second video. Make sure to click Burn after you get your image or it will be shaky. After this, you're going to save this video to your phone. And I suggest saving it to the highest resolution you can. Once you have exported your video to your phone, you are going to open Font and we're going to grab that video. I know you guys can't see it, but you're going to click Use Original Video. And this is where you're going to be able to put any text you want to. I'm just going to be putting my username or my YouTube name. Okay guys, so next you're going to take your video and you're going to bring the video in 1 second from the beginning. And that's where you're going to drop your text. As you can see, I'm just writing Shelby XOXO because that's my YouTube channel. And you guys can also choose any font you want. I chose this font earlier so I wouldn't have to be sitting here looking through fonts with you guys. Okay guys, after you pick the font that you like, you're going to size and replace your name or whatever you have written anywhere on the screen. This is the time for you guys to play around with your color of your name and your background and stuff like that. I just decided to go with pink, obviously, because it's one of my favorite colors, and just to do a simple black line around it. This is literally me just playing around with my name, trying to center it and get it in position that I like. But once you have done that, you're going to click it and you're going to bring it 1 second from the beginning and press zoom out. So that when you play your name back, it will be a little something like this. After this, we're just going to export this to our phone again. Open it up in iMovie. Click New Movie or Make Movie. Click the one with the new font. So at this point, you guys can add a photo or anything you want of yourself. I'm going to be adding this animated little cartoon thing that I have. But again, if you want to add a photo of yourself, make sure you turn your photo into a video just like we did at the beginning. So I'm just adding my animated little cartoon into here. And to move your things around, you're going to press the little arrow button, I don't know what it's called, in the corner. Make it as big as you want and just center it. Play your video back so you know that your picture or your video is not over onto your letters. Just play around with it for a little bit because that's what I did. As you can see here, I'm just trying to make my name come in before the photo or the little animated cartoon thing. So once I have my picture and my name lined up to the way that I like it, I'm just going to go right before you see the name or your name. I'm going to cut it or split the clip so I can add in an effect. For the effect in between the two clips, guys, make sure it's the star and make sure you click either 1.5 seconds or 2 seconds long. Okay guys, what I'm doing here is I'm just making sure that the effect that I chose and my animated cartoon and my name line up perfectly, or at least well, with the effect that I chose. Make sure that you drag your photo or animated image, if you have one, to the very end of your video. Next, you're going to hit the settings button in the right hand corner and pick any filter you want for your video. I chose Blast. And for my theme, I chose Bright. And that's it guys, you have your new intro.